Alright guys, this is part 2 of the video on how to sharpen your mower blades. I'm just using a normal 4-inch 100mm angle grinder. This one's a Makita, and I prefer to use the sandpaper pads over the angle grinder pads just because they leave a nicer, smoother finish. So what you're going to do is you want to go up and down here a few times just to get a nice angle, sharp surface. You're going to do it once or twice underneath to do a nice knife edge. That's what I found works best with these, so I'll get to it. And you really want to wear safety glasses and earmuffs with these, but my brother broke them, so I don't have any. So I'm just going to be very careful not to get any sparks in my eyes. So let's see how this does. Actually, watch on the back side. Alright, that's that one done. Now we'll go on to the next side. If you don't know how to use a grinder, either get someone that does know how to do it or do it under supervision of an experienced person. Nice knife edge on that blade. Next one. Sounds like a chopper. Alright, that's that blade done. One more to go. There we go. That's how you sharpen blades. Now, you gotta make sure you get good at this as well, because if the blade's off balance, your mower will vibrate itself to bits, and you'll have an extremely sore hand afterwards. So, now just check the oil. Tripod out of the way. It's all drained. Alright. Okay. Alright, now as you can see, that oil is putrid and thick. I can tell that hasn't been changed since this thing was new. Alright. Now I'll just put the plug back in. Hang on a second, where'd I put the fucking plug? Bingo, found it, it's alright. Now just, that'll be clean enough. Just put the plug back in. Alright, do it back up. Don't do it up too tight because it's only plastic, so it will break if you over tighten it. Alright, flip the mower back over, just bear with me for a second. Just bear with me while I put some more wood in the bonfire. Ah, shit. I'll do it. Okay. Now we can take... Alright, you know what I was going to do. Alright, now put the blades back on. I should have done this before I flipped it over. Alright, let's put that down there while I get the blades. Okay. And now put the blades on. Okay. Okay, like with these ones, I always start with the center bolt because you can use these as like a locating bolt to line up all the other ones. Get that one started first. Just do it up a couple threads. Then do the little locking bolts. Okay, do the locking bolts up first. So this was 11mm. There. Alright. Never do these little ones up with a rail gun because I guarantee you they will snap. Right, now before you do them up tight, use your rattle gun or shifter or brake bar, whichever you prefer, and do the main one up as tight as you need to do it up. Do not over tighten it because you will break the bolt. And do these ones up. Alright. Is that done? Now we will change or refill the oil. Got my bench. Whoa. Hang on a second, guys. I've just had to run away a bit of wood. Oil smoke, gotta love it. Alright, now I'll get a funnel. I just do this because it's easier, less mess. Ah, fuck it, won't fit. Got a small funnel in. Ah, fuck it. Alright. Put you guys on. Okay, actually I'll do the one in the next video because this video is already getting too long, so I'll see you next video.